Hello everybody, welcome to the Mukarnas Spa Resort Hotel Review for Turkey 2023. This review is going to be split into sections, so keep an eye out on the playlist for the other parts. At the end of each video I'll give you a rating for that section I've just covered, and at the end I'll give you an overall rating. So without further ado, let's jump straight in. Quick disclaimer for you guys, I've not been sponsored by Mukarnas Spa Resort in any way to do this. This is a full and honest review from my experience. So let's take a quick look at check-in. When you first arrive, a porter comes along and takes your bags to a staff entrance. He does it so quickly you're wondering if you're supposed to follow him or not. For information, don't follow him, use the main entrance and head to reception on your left. And here we were greeted by Mustafa, who started talking about all of the check-in procedures.
One 1291, your room number on the middle second floor going to. Safe minibar free in your room, okay? Here we have QR.
So sorry, that's
Second floor.
second floor.
Floor
Okay.
your room, yeah. Here we have QR. In the room you also have QR. You can scan application, writing all the timings when bars, restaurants open, close. All information is there.
Okay.
Minus second floor, activity floor, where you can enjoy hammam, sauna, spa, fitness pools, all minus 2, okay?
Okay.
You can go directly to your room. My colleague bring your luggage.
Okay.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's get through a little hotel, a little room review. So, let's look left first. There's me, hello. You can tell I've literally just got in, bags all on my back. So, shut this door. Shower, towels all freshly there. And looks like we've got the other amenities. 2 glasses, shower caps. What's this? Soaps, free soaps. Couple of shower gels and shampoos, sink, more towels, somewhere I guess you can store stuff, or that is just a holder for the towels, toilet, and yeah, new review complete. Let's move on. Bit of a ledge there, be careful of that. Closet. Looks like there's another couple of cupboards that are blocked by this. You got kettle and stuff. You got tonic behind this as well, and yeah, bed, another bed, sofa bed, chair, TV, me again because I am amazing, and then we've got, I'm guessing, some sort of shoe rack.
Where did this come from? My brother's sunglasses and my reading book. Wow. 2 swans.
Now, in terms of housekeeping, they do give you a little door hanger so you can let them know whether you want the room cleaned or not, and sometimes when they clean it they'll make little decorations using the blankets for your bed. Okay, I think we forgot to leave a tip today because we left in such a hurry, but she still seems to have made some pretty cool creations. I'm guessing these are meant to be swans relaxing on the bed. Sort of want them to move so I can relax myself. Seems to be reading my book as well, which is a bit weird. They seem to have stolen my dad's sunglasses as well. Oh well, I guess we'll have to make do with that one. The reception area had lots and lots of seating room and very spacious for everyone who's going to be using the lobby bar in the evening and just in general throughout the day. But for now, let's go say hi to all the reception staff who are very kind and helpful for us. First up we have Rustem, who realised I wasn't actually from the UK originally and had a little surprise for us.
Where are you from?
UK, England,
Normally?
India.
Where do you live in
Wow.
UK?
Haste her jahi haste Yuniki varihi very haste Doro ki nakaro ki Dunya hi dilbaro ki Na sona na jangi.
We've also got Janet. If you go on
Baba, you are very
to
close.
camera, do you have camera?
I'm into the
Camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
telling today.
I'm trying to stay positive,
Yeah.
but sometimes it's also
Yeah, it's
Welcome
okay,
to
but
Mukarnas
generally,
Spa
when I
Resort.
see, like, when I look at you, I
Subscribe
can
his
see like
channel,
positive.
please.
I'm taking
Thank you very much. What's your name?
Janet.
Janet. Thank you.
Means
Hani olmuş?
paradise.
Ha.
Thank
How are
you.
you?
We've also got Melissa and Mustafa. Mustafa, you literally just met at check-in. Okay. Do you want-
Merhaba.
And no wonder these guys are so nice. The front desk manager is just like them. This is Kurbanbek. This is Kurbanbek, one of the managers here at Mukarnas, and he's just come to thank us for the little gift. And yeah, we thought we would thank him as well, because he's the one who sorted out our room as well.
Also, we're glad to see you here. Welcome, family tank. It's a present for your wife.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Brilliant.
You also have a little outside area connected to the reception. It's currently really quiet out here because everyone's down at the pool game in the aqua gym, which you can hear going on right now. This is a little ledge. This is outdoors, obviously, so there are smoking areas, which I'm not particularly quite fond of because I've got asthma, so it's not great for me. And this is what the ledge looks like. It's almost like the view from our balcony, but just a little bit lower. So you're basically in line with these trees here, the top of these trees. And how could I forget Ali from Guest Relations?
Thank you. Hello, my name is Ali, working here in Guest Relations Department in Mukarnas Hotel. So this season I will be with you. Whatever you need, I can help. Any subject, for the hotel, for the outside. Doesn't matter, whatever you want. Just contact with me.
Okay, thank you very much, that's perfect.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Mukarnas Hotel.
So a quick summary for the room and reception area. Overall, the room was quite nice, with the main bed and single bed being quite comfortable. A sofa bed was okay after a couple of mattress toppers were added, but I would have just preferred another single bed. And housekeeping did an amazing job as well. The reception area is quite spacious and a nice area to chill out in. The reception staff are always really helpful and useful. I would recommend talking to these guys if you have any issues. Which is why I'm going to give the room and reception area an overall rating of 8 out of 10. So this is Valentina, Head of Guest Relations here at Mukarnas, and I'll leave her to introduce herself a little bit and introduce
Hello
the
there, hello. My name is Valentina, I'm guest relation manager. So I am responsible for all guests in the hotel. So when you will come to our hotel, please to be sure that everything that you need will be successfully done exactly for you. Please, any help you need, we are always ready to help. So now you are really welcome in Mukarnas Hotel every day. We are waiting for you. Also, you can use our TikTok channel, Facebook channel, Instagram page. Every information that you will need, you will find exactly there. Don't be shy to contact us, and see you in Mukarnas Hotel.
So that's it for the room and reception area. If you're feeling a bit peckish, why not check out part 2, which will be all about the food here at Mukarnas Hotel. See you there.